Hi everyone, my name is Munam Burhan, and in this video I am going to show you how to increase your YouTube channel subscribers and watch time. If you are looking to grow your YouTube channel, these are two of the most important metrics to focus on. Subscribers are the people who are most likely to watch your videos, and watch time is a measure of how long people are watching your videos. So if you can increase your subscribers and watch time, you'll be well on your way to growing your YouTube channel. Section 1. How to increase YouTube subscribers. There are a few things you can do to increase your YouTube subscribers. First, make sure you are creating high-quality content that people will want to watch. Your videos should be well edited, informative, and engaging. You should also use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions so that people can find your videos when they are searching for content. Additionally, you can promote your videos on social media and other platforms to get more people to see them. Section 2. How to increase YouTube watch time. Once you have some subscribers, you can start to focus on increasing your watch time. There are a few things you can do to do this. First, make sure your videos are long enough. The longer people watch your videos, the more watch time you'll get. You should also try to keep people engaged throughout your videos. This means using interesting visuals, telling stories, and asking questions. Finally, you can promote your videos on social media and other platforms to get more people to watch them. So those are a few tips on how to increase your YouTube channel subscribers and watch time. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.